It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break from a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy all alone. If you feel like a home. Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. It's Thursday. Feeling like it's Friday because the market's closed tomorrow, so I'm making a swing trade video update for the swing members and the portfolio and the market. Let's go over the action and what we got going. Here's the new portfolio for April, and here's how we ended March. March was actually a good month to join and another good month to be involved in the MOJO Swing Trade newsletter, as we nailed scaled in and scaled out positions of 59 out of 59, 100% accurate, 9.77%, average hold 6 days. Perfect example of scaling in and sticking with good companies. ETAC Wireless right here at 45 cents was the cost. The stock dumped to 20 cents this morning. People would have gotten stopped out, but not using any kind of stops like that. Let me show you what goes on with that. Show you ETAC. So here's ETAC today. You can see the stock drop this morning crazy to 25 cents. I mean, the low right there was 20 cents. It's crazy. Went right back up to 33. I grabbed a little bit on this dip and lowered the cost basis by a nickel. Absolutely no problem on that. And here's the daily on ETAC. So everybody would have gotten stopped out normally on that, but we didn't. Here's the daily on the ETAC. Okay, so everybody got stopped out. I have no idea why. Nothing's changed with the company, and now it's back at 40 cents, and we're going to look to be profitable. Could have bought a little bit more and got it under 40, but it's still fine, and it's at 40 cents, and now that one, like a powerhouse, is back up. So great job yesterday on the swing members that emailed me in response to getting more of that. Great job by doing so. The watch list is exactly that, the watch list. They're all up and they're all down. Basic calamity of a bunch of them. We're not in those. Whoever are, congratulations. Now, let's move on. People who own ABCD are pretty happy because the stock's up 93%, continuing at the 52-week high of $3.20 with the high today at $3.24. High on OxySure 80 cents, up 16%. IGC includes a half a position rebuy from a sell last month in the 54-cent range. DSK is up 11%. So you can see how these things move. They're down 2%, ain't no big deal. They jump 10, 20%. Bada boom. NAVB already positioned half close, reducing risk. I may buy that one back a little bit next week, reduce the cost basis to 65 and get out of the rest of that when I'm done with NAVB. MGNA, I'm fine with the marijuana stock on holding some of that. We got a cost basis of 10.5 cents. URRE, I am going to do another buy in the beginning of next week on this stock right here. And actually, if you have time, I'm going to do one here today and one on. So URRE, I'm going to grab some here today, and I'm going to grab some on Monday. Lower the cost basis on URRE down into the 55-cent range. Okay? And URRE includes 4, and that's the last one at 130. Okay? We'll look to sell URRE, get it to 150 average. We'll look to break even on URRE. ICLD is great. SPDC is fine. It's been up and down. We've already taken 3/4 profit on that at 74. SPDC turns red. We have ETAX even now. Stock's incredible. Already closed a position, a quarter of it too, at 46 last month. So that's just wonderful. TRCH stocks was down before. Now it's up. It's up 6.25%. Let's take a look at TRCH, see where that's headed for next week. Looking really nice on TRCH coming up out of this base. Look to take a profit on that thing for sure on TRCH. So let's take some profits. Let's start the month off the right way. And hey, it was down, now it's up. Exit price. Let's get out 34, 35 cents. See where it's going. Oh, it's at 38. So TRCH is looking rosy and nice. Let's check out TRCH in the level 2. TRCH is 34 by 38. So yeah, let's sit on the ask at 37 and take some out at 30. And 38 would be just beautiful. And we'll do that for a nice 15.6% gain. First close of the month. And that's TRCH from 323. Great job on there. Position is 3/4 closed. Not even half. You know what? Let's do it the right way. We'll do it half first, and we'll maximize the rest. Let's see if we could get some more out a little higher next week into that 3/4. So we'll do half now. If you want to do 3/4, go for it, for sure. Okay, and then we have UVXY doing great. Stock was up. Did you see it halt trading last week and go like to 19? Crazy. So listen, MNDO, these stocks that we get in the newsletter, that thing dips. Go ahead and jump on that, guys. Grab some. Stock went to 310 today, right back to 320, just like ETAC. You got to grab these things. Okay, MNDL, look at that. Got to grab them when they dip down. Now the stock's going to fly next week and go for us. Okay, so MNDO right there, grabbed a little bit when it dropped to 310, just lowered the cost basis, just a couple of pennies, and that's it. I really like MNDO. So LIQD, the other one, hasn't made its move yet, but hey, look, it's at 90. It's at 29.5 cents. Okay, so we're up on that one now. Okay, and this one I actually got a penny lower too, because I added on to that one as well. It went on to 25 cents. Got to do that. Lower it a penny or two. And that's 3.57. And it says that in the newsletter every single week to buy in the 2 steps, and on the next day, or do another one as well. So A10's doing nice, was up to 439 today. A10 also, take some profits on that, not a problem, was up to 439 today. So A10, go ahead, take half of that off the table, because that's what we do. And there'll be new picks coming out on Sunday. This is half a position closed, high 439. High on Torch is 38, which it's at now. And that's a great job right there. So A10 was from 330, half a position closed, 439. NTWK is the other one. And same thing here. We're going to add on to this thing right now. That's what we do. Heading at 77. Going to bring the cost basis to 585. We're looking good on NTWK. There's NTWK, low 75, high 92. It's in this little base, looking for a pop next week. That's what we'll do. If it don't happen this week, should happen next week. And that's going to wrap up the week. So we're at 16. Those are long term, but counting those in, we are averaging 5.44% average. 40. We got right 1. They keep on changing. Got 9. That's it. That's the Mojo Swing Trade update. Looking really nice. Compounding that with the Mojo Day Trading Room and how we did today on the 1st and the 2nd. Yesterday we scored perfectly with 9. Today we scored again with around 10 trades. So that's around 20 trades in a row in combination from trade 30 to trade 270. Oh, hold on. Got to adjust. Look at that. $280, $281, $282. Amazing. So 282, 280 for the month, 99%. Oh, gotta feel that's why we didn't do these ending trades. Fold was sold, I think it was 11.12. They got out of that one, and KNDI sold at 49. And that's how we ended the month. So similar as in the day trading room as in the swing. Everybody have a fantastic weekend. Stock markets close tomorrow. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Keep it great. Keep it profitable. And I'll see you on Sunday with new picks. Give me all you got, don't hold back. I should probably warn you, I'll be just